Understand? Yes. Now let's move to the other part of this lesson, which is the next part of this lesson is agility and resilience. Agility and resilience. Agility and resilience. These are two things. Agility and resilience. Now, in a modern, volatile business environment, the traditional fixed structure is often replaced by a focus on adaptability. All right? Which is agility. Because agility is the ability to move quickly and easily in response to market changes. Agility. I'm defining agility as the ability to move quickly. It's the ability to move quickly and easily. It is the ability to move quickly and easily, all right, in response to market changes. In response to market changes. That is the meaning of agility. And moving away from rigidity candidates is very critical. We have what we call structural solution, moving away from rigid hierarchies towards cross-functional teams and flat structures. You understand? So agility is made possible through what I'm referring to as structural solution. It may also happen through what we call strategic fit. Strategic fit, which is best for question marks, or best for companies in fast-moving sectors like fintech. And one key feature here is delegation of authority, right? This is delegation of authority to the edges of the organization so that teams can make decisions quickly. Teams can pivot without waiting for board approval. So agility is made possible where there is delegation of authority. You move authority to the edges. If you are at the headquarters, you allow the divisions to make decisions so that the company can move quickly and easily in response to market changes. So that is one key feature of agility, delegation of authority. That's what we mean by agility.